How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's well. Just wanted to do a little update. Was just sitting here doing a little bit of editing. Finally got these videos uploaded onto my old iPro. Can't be updated anymore, so can't use Adobe Premiere on it. Luckily it still lets me use Illustrator, and just working with the iMovie on that right now, as well as the last few videos have just been edited on my iPhone using the iMovie on that. So yeah, I got this stuff uploaded off my GoPro and the Canon EOS 90D. Finally uploaded onto here, and I'm gonna just edit them up on here the best I can, because right now, like I said in the past few videos, my computer has been running really slow, and it's pretty filled up and just outdated, and doing the best I can with it though. So yeah, just chilling out here, relaxing. Got the old jet boil out, as you seen in the last video. This thing works awesome. Gonna boil up some quick fan tea here, some of this chamomile for the end of the night. Got the dual fans in the window because it was a little warm out tonight. It's been raining, so kind of humid. But yeah, powering everything off with the trusty old Jackery 240. And we're currently only drawing about 42 watts out of it. And that's running the two fans and the USB light. But yeah, still just working with the basic setup. Got all my cameras down there in the bag, drone. So yeah, gonna get this fan tea going and check back in with y'all. So yeah, let's get this fan tea going, get into some editing. This is a great little stove, I highly recommend it. Jet boil mini mode. Used it for the first time in the last video, just to give a quick update. But yep, so get this going and work on this edit. I'm pretty stoked that I finally got this all loaded up onto the computer. Kind of sucks that it's outdated now and I can't use the Adobe Premiere anymore on it, so gotta look into getting a new one. I'm trying to set some money aside to do that now. But yeah, I've got the Ricketts Glen video still needing to get finished up, and a few other places I went as well in the meantime. There, Smoky Mountains, Warden Forest, and a couple other places. More to come, so definitely subscribe if you want to check out those videos. Check out some of the other videos and places I've been so far. But yeah, I came up with a pretty good idea, and I'm gonna add into here to start. I'm gonna build, since that bed's not really that when it lays down, you know, it's working, but laying diagonally, I can lay this way if you know, I kind of curl up a little bit, but I got all the stuff here and everything piled behind the seat, all my kitchen cooking stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a little box, I'm thinking, that can just go right here for now. That would be the height of that, and just have some foam on the top of it and cloth over it, so it'll double as a bench here / storage. And then when you lay the bed down to crash out, I can just take it from here, slide it over in the front of that, and it'll be perfectly even with the rest of it. Perfect queen size bed right there. So I think that's a pretty good idea. I'm gonna go with that. And JetBoil is already boiled. So I already threw my honey in there and had that ready. Oops, dropped this in there. Learned that from the first time I used this. I turned it on and went to get everything ready, and the water was already boiling before I could even open the tea bag and pour my honey in there. That's how fast that thing boils. Pretty great little stove. So yeah, just gonna drink up this tea, work on editing up this video a little bit. Probably won't get it done tonight because I've been messing with it for quite a while already, but I'm definitely gonna at least get it started now that I got it onto the camera, or off of the camera onto the computer. So gonna clean up the stove, sip on my tea, work on that, clean up a little bit, and then probably crash out for the night. So catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully it'll be the Ricketts Glen Falls. And thanks everybody for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Peace.